Okay guys, back to the cow. Sibuyele enkomeni. Dear callers, we managed to answer most of the questions. So for the sake of time, ukuze sikwazi ukugqiba in time, let's go straight to equations. Let's look at what we are given. Sisekhona good people? Singavula i-mics zethu.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Then masizeni ke ku-question yokuqala, or in fact ku-information statement. Kuthiwa upper in the sketch below, the equation of the circle with a center O is given by x squared plus y squared all equal to 20. B, which is in M is to 0, is the center of the larger circle. A common tangent touches the circle at C and E, respectively. D is the x-intercept of the tangent. Okay. D is the x-intercept of the tangent. Okay. So we have every information, and as you can see with diagram, yonke la information ibonakalisiwe. We have it on the diagram. So we can answer. We are told that sinale tangent, which is ULD. Okay, abayinemanga ne, but kutwe a common tangent is touching as at C and E. So I think this is supposed to be E, not L. Are we together? Because the tangent is touching at C and at E. So this is E, not L. Cha misprint ne. So that ku questions ezilandelayo bakuye kwabuzwa u-E singalahleki. Now kuthiwa determine the value of T. So ut, we were given that equation. Ut, it's a x coordinate kwintoni kule point on point C, and point C is on the circumference of the smaller circle. So with smaller circle sinayo equation ye smaller circle, which makes things much easier for us. So to answer that first question, so since we have equation 4.1, so since we have equation of the smaller circle as x squared plus y squared equals to 20, so it's easy sisuke sisebenzise yona to get the values of T. So substitute the point C. X on point C happens to be T, so we'll have T squared plus y, which happens to be -2 all squared equals to 20. Then we solve for T. A solver for UT will be left with T on this side. Then on the right hand side, we will transpose -2 squared, which is 4, transpose to the right hand side. Uzofika phana abengibani -4, which will have 20 minus 4, that's 16. But because we are looking for T, we root both sides as we are rooting the other side to UT way too, because it's a coordinate. A coordinate could be positive, could be negative. So we'll have plus minus, then this and this will cancel. But because again of the quadrant, yep, answer esoyithatha pasuzothatha answer z2. Are we going to take a positive 4 or are we going to take a positive -4? Guys?
Positive 4, sir.
Positive 4 because of the quadrant. So our T equals to 4. Uthathe imarks zakho eziphisayo phana u2 marks wakho. The following question kwathiwa A is 6 and 2 is the midpoint of CE. Okay? Determine the coordinate of E. Okay, now we know that if this is the midpoint, then that means the distance from E, which is this point over here, and C is the same. And C to A is the same. The distance from A to E and A to C is the same. Okay. So Z2 indlela esidla ngosebenzisa ngazo, it's either you use a midpoint formula, which most of the students zizosebenzisa yona 4.2 a midpoint formula. The students will say that, okay, Mener, I know that if I take X on E and add X on C, then divide all that by 2, I'm supposed to get what? XA, because you midpoint. So you can use this formula as well. So XE wethu ngubani ke ngokupha kula case, guys? XE ngulo simfunayo, unknown asimazi, but we do know XC, which is 4. Ne. So we'll have U4 all over 2 equals to XA, which happens to be 6. Then we solve for X. In solving for X, multiply both sides by 2. Then this will be cancelled, or cross multiply whatever you did. So you will end up having, then we transpose U4. Will be left with left hand side with X plus 4. Then we transpose la 4. So sheka nabani ke ngoku? No, X equal to 6 times 2, it's 12, minus 4, 8. Did we all get 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then siye ku y, na ku y senza the same approach. Sithi no, okay Mener, if singathatha ku y again, mfundisi wami, if singathatha u ye simdibanise no yc, then we divide the answer, the sum, by 2. The answer is soyifumana pha, it will be uya. Then uye is what we are looking for, asimazi ye. So uye wethu will still be y, but uyc siyamazi uba ngubani? Negative 2, ne? According to the diagram. Negative 2. Okay. So we will have uyc wethu, so substitute ngaye pha negative 2 all over 2 equals to uya, which happens to be positive 2. Then naphana kawusolvayo, you multiply both sides by 2, then we'll be left with 2y minus 2. Transpose negative 2, uzafika be positive kwela cala, then you will have uy equals to 4 plus 2, which is 6. So therefore, the coordinate of E will be what? 8 is to 6. I hope we all got that one right. Ne? Option number 2, as I said, zininzi indlela zokubulala ikati. Okay, so option number 2, you can use la approach yam ndiyithandayo, i-vertical and horizontal distance approach. Are we together? So you ask yourself, what was the vertical distance from this point to this? What was the horizontal distance between x1 and x2? Ne. So you can ask yourself that. One will say that, okay Mener, mna approach yam was this, then afuna the horizontal distance, then I took uy between ua and c, because I have coordinate is ka a and the coordinate is ka c. Ua is the midpoint. So I looked for horizontal distance. I took x on the right and subtracted x on the left, which means I took 6 and subtracted 2. That gave me 2 units. So that was the horizontal distance. Then the vertical distance as well, I took x on the uy on top, which is 2 uy on a, and subtracted uy on c, which is negative 2. So it's going to be y plus 2. That will give me 4. Okay. So now, after having all these distances, then therefore, Meneruam, the coordinates of E will be from A to E. If I'm moving from A to E, I will take the coordinate of A, which is 6, and because I'm moving to the right now, E is on the right by Chongaring. E, I have to move to the right, then from the right, I move up. So if E is on the right, So I will add that horizontal distance, which is 2. Then for OY, I will take the coordinate of Y from A, which is 2. Then by joining, E is on top. So because E is on top, I will add the vertical distance, which is 4. That will eventually give me what? My E will be 6 plus 2, 8 is 2, 2 plus 4, 6. So nguchoose masikhethele ibuffet, guys. You choose the method that works best for you. So hence the question ingu 2 marks, guys. Abalindelanga the calculations zininzi. You can even start it from here. So it's 8 is to 6. Okay, sibuye siye ku following question. They say now show calculate the gradient of EB. Where is the gradient of EB? EB happens to be this line, and we want to calculate the gradient of that line. Calculating the gradient of EB, how do we calculate the gradient of EB? We'll have ME EB, which will equal to, okay, we take y on top YE, which is 6, minus YD, which is 0, all over XE, 8, minus, oh, you're sorry. I didn't notice that we have a missing.
Sorry,
yes. Is yes. Yes.
Tangent,
Yeah. So we will use, yeah. Now into engakhange notice is that asinikwanga as coordinates ne. So I think uiviwe iza. So kasingayinikwanga i center. So he's speaking something about the tangent. Continue. Uthi senze njani?
siyazi uba le line le isuke senda ku-circumference i-radius and i-radius i-perpendicular to i-tangent. So if usinayo i-gradient ye-tangent, inantsika yayo, I mean i-reciprocal yayo izawuba yi-gradient yenantsika le ye-radius.
Ye-radius. Okay. So we know that if a line is perpendicular, then we have a gradient of one line because the line is perpendicular. Then the gradient of the other line will be the reciprocal. Ne? Will be the reciprocal of that gradient and will change its sign. If the other gradient was positive, then the gradient a perpendicular line will be negative and a reciprocal. That's what he is saying, which is correct. So ke masiyeni ke ngoku, so which means we need i-gradient of uCE. Khasike sicalculate i-gradient before besicalculate i-gradient yantoni kanene? Khasicalculate i-gradient ne? Determine the coordinate of E, the gradient of EB. Eyokuqala i-gradient siyibuzwayo le. So in other words, you can use uAC, you can use uEA, you can use uAE, you can use also uEC. Why ndisitsho njalo to get that? Because you are, as long as you are using points on that same line, collinear points, so the gradient will always be the same. So you can use it gradient. So we can look for it gradient of uEC or uEA. It's up to you. So if usebenzisa uEC or uEA, it's up to you. So kasebenzisa uYE, so 6 minus negative 2, which will end up giving us positive 2. So 6 plus 2 over 8 minus 4. Then for the calculator, what will be your gradient? Sesafumana bani? Guys, ninafumana bani kaloku? U2. Okay. So if the gradient of that line is positive 2, then without a shadow of a doubt, the gradient of EB will equal to what? Will equal to negative 1 over 2. uthathe u-Trimax wakho ophisayo. Then 4.4, but show that m equals to 20. Show that m equals to 20. And you have what? You have the gradient of this line, of this radius, which is -1/2. So I think you can use what you have. You can use your gradient that you just have to make life easier for you. Ungabucanga ngezinye method ezizobande. 4.4. So to answer 4.4, one will say that, okay, Mener, since I already have the gradient of this line, so I can use that gradient. I know that if I take OYEL, which means OYE, sorry. If I take OYE and subtract OYB and divide all that by what? By OXE and subtract OXB, I'm supposed to get the gradient. Ne? So, and it gradient A2, it gradient of EB. Then it gradient ka EB lesinayo, then was substitute payana ke ngoku ne. Then you have your YE, which is 6 minus OYB, which is 0, all over XE. XE ngubani kanene? XE ngulo ngu8 minus M. You have to get ubani -1/2. Then you cross multiply because you have a fraction both on the left and on the right. You can cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, it's going to be 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 multiplied by 6, that will give you 12, equals to whatever you multiply by 1 remains the same. 8 minus M multiplied by negative. Now because of that negative sign, that's what will change everything. So everything that you multiply by 1 will remain the same, but because of the negative sign, now we are going to have -8 positive M. But since we are solving for M, we transpose -8 to the other side. Azofika ngapha benjani? Abe positive. So it's going to have 12 plus 8, which is 20, equals to M. So sigqibela uprove apha uba oh M wethu nyhani ngu-20. Bazothi ke ngoku calculate the area of OAEB. OAEB, mafuneka simjongile OAEB, kuthethwa ngeyiphi? I believe we all got that one right as well, ne? Lega 20. Then bathi bafuna OAEB. So from O to A, then to E, O, A, E, B. Okay, masiyenze le shape so that siyibone ba le shape ayifunayo kanye kanye yintoni. Then you take it straight back there. So this is the shape abayifunayo, but must calculate that shape. Ne. Remember how dilane shape, sometimes it's wise that ungayi divide into shapes ozazi. Uyayibona la shape ayibonakali mos ba yintoni. Are we together? Guys? Nisekhona?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So asiboni kahle kahle thina sikwazi ucalculate area of square, area of rectangles, area of triangles and stuff, area of circles. But now this one, what type of a shape is this? But remember, you can see that the first thing I saw and the shape is that if I can cut this shape, because up already I have 90 degrees, which will make life easier for me if I can have a right-angled triangle pa. Right-angled triangle pa nzayifumana njani? By just cutting this. This is a up with center. So which means now I will be having 2 triangles on that shape. Ne? So sizoba ne triangle number 1, sibe no triangle number 2. Why lo triangle number 2? Because kuzaba lula ufumana i-line that straight from this point A ezoza apha ibe perpendicular, which will be my height kule triangle number 2. Then this will be the base. Are you seeing? Lento niyenzayo?
Yes.
Okay. So we will cut ke ngoku yonke lanto ngola hlobo guys and calculate. Ne. So basically what do we need? From here we know the base is 20. We know it's easy to get the area. You can calculate first for the area of triangle OAB, ne? Which will be 1/2 base. The base yethu happens to be 20. The height yethu, because from 2 to 0, vertical height yethu, vertical distance yethu from point A to this, seyicacile uba ngu-2 guys, akho need nobu calculate. So it's 2, because y here was 0, then y power on top it's 2. Then uqofoza i-calculator yakho, that will give you, oh, the area here will be 20 unit squared. Are we happy? Now the challenge will be on getting this one. Kule area kuze siyifumane sidinga le distance nale distance. Those are the two distances sidingayo. Then we calculate the area yethu so that we can have our height and our perpendicular base. Is it making sure? So we need EL, EB. So distance EB will be what? Kasimbale mosiqala. So sebenzisa distance formula, which is easy. Distance formula yethu E wethu besithe 8 and 6. So sizoba nobani no 8 minus 20 squared plus 6 minus 0 squared, which will eventually give us what? So for the calculators, for Manaban,
6√5.
6√5. Nes for money answer 1 mos, or best for me answer 1. 6 minus 0 is 6. So we are getting 6√5. I hope we got this one right. So 6√5 is distance here. Then we want ke ngoku distance kwelicala between UE and A. Sifune AE. AE yena izathina yakhe indaba x A8 minus 6 squared plus 8 plus 6 minus 2 squared. So what will Payanas fumana bani? So for the calculator?
2√5.
2√5. Okay. So therefore ke ngokumenyeru wam, i-area of triangle AEB will equal to 1/2 base, where ndithe u2√5 base into EB abe yintoni, abe yi-height into 6√5. Ofenze nje calculator yam, which will give me what? I know that this and this will cancel. I will have √5 no √5 bacancelishe. Then I will have 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6, that means the area yam it's going to be 30. So in conclusion ke ngokumfundisi wami, we can say therefore the area of the shape sifunayo, area of OAB AEB will equal to 20 plus 30 units squared, which will be 50 unit squared. Did we get this one right? Indi, sesayifumana kahle?
So now I got 20 plus 60.
Ubusebenzise ezoyi-2 as areas. Ubuzisplithe kanje okanye ubusplithe ngenye indlela?
Then say triangle OAB plus area of triangle EAB.
EAB. So uyifumene njani area ka EAB? Bufune ezi distances sifunileyo okanye ubuya wayibala njani wena?
It's a 1/2 open brackets 20 as the base then that's close brackets. Then that's open brackets again. Yeah, the focus 6. Then you can close brackets.
No, that was the mistake. Ne. Because wena lo area uye wayifuna ayiyongo luyithetha ufune i-area from eyale triangle ke ngo.
So a mistake.
Yeah, ufune u-OEB.
Okay.
But
yeah.
Okay, then kwazothi write down the numerical value of area of the smaller circle over the area of the larger circle. The smaller circle, we need a radius. We know a radius is smaller circle ngubani? Gu root 20 ne? Okay. So what we need phana sidinga i-area yes. Kuthiwa i-area yantoni smaller circle over the area. Still nale equation ibilula. Area of the smaller circle over the area of the larger circle. So you all know that in order for us to area of the smaller over larger, we know that in order for us to get the area of a circle, the area of a circle generally kubani pi r squared ne. So which means we need u-r of both the circles. So kulena of sesiyazi u-r wayo uba ngulo, but u-r wale incinci ke ngoku-circle asimnikwanga numerically, but we can get it from i-equation, because equation siyayazi ngu-x squared plus y squared equals to r squared ne. So u-r for circle O will be what? It's going to be root 20. Yeah. So that's what we are going to do. So therefore, the area of the smaller circle, area of circle O, the area of the smaller circle O over the area of circle B will equal to what? It's pi r squared will be pi r squared, which means here we'll have root 20 squared over pi, also r squared here, 6 root 5 all squared. Then by jongaring pana, this and this will cancel. Then it will be this and this will cancel. It will be 20 over, again here, the square root will cancel the radical sign, the root. Then we'll have 6 multiplied by 5, which is 30. That is 0 no 0 cancel, which will be 2 over 3. That's the value ebesiyikhangela, guys. Imag disebenzise dibale kahle. Are my calculations right? The area of the smaller circle ibingu okay. One over. Are my calculations right, guys? Root 20 ngubani kanti? Root 20 it's 4 times 5, it's 2 root 5. So 20 over 30. I think calculations are right, guys. Can you confirm?
Sorry sir, apha kumi mic inansi pen respond so andiboni kahle.
Ithini?
I respond sir. Okay, bisitake ngoku yabubhale u30 unit squared.
Ngawuphuma uphinde ungene. Then uconfirm ba iyabonakala ngo. Indi kuwe bonakala kahle.
Everything.
Okay. So sifumana akakabuyi, masimlinde. Then sizokwazi ukuyivala. I was just double checking the calculations zam. Hey man, what am I doing wrong here? 20. Oh, the cancellation or 0. So it's supposed, yes, it's right, it's 20 over 30. 5 goes into 20 4 times and into 30 6 times, ne? Or 2 goes into 20 10 times and into 30 15 times and also yeah 10. Mental math yamle in PTSI. Then 2 goes into 10 5 times, or 5 goes into 10 2 times, into 15 3 times. But still I'm getting, why calculator ikhupha any answer? Calculator is giving me 1 over 9. Because each root, I'm supposed to have 20 per. Oh, sorry, I see. No, the exponent upper u2 ndibale wrong, guys. Dim lo bale wrong. Yeah, calculations am wrong. Remember, it's going to be 2. Lo 2 le exponent is apply na class 6. 6 squared ngubani? 36. So 36 multiply by 5 ke ngoku. Pha kwi denominator, because it's going to be 6 squared multiply by 5, which will give us 180. Then it is u20 uya ngaphi ku 20 uya kayi1, ku 180 u20 uya ngaphi
109.
uya kayi9. Now ndiyatsho man, i-mental maths yam bingekho right. So this will be the numerical value, guys. I hope is make sure uthatha u4 marks wakho ophisayo. Then we move on siye kwi-trick, sijonge i-trick isiphethele ntoni. Nayo ingathi ya behavior i-trick yethu. Time is still with us, so I will give you 28 minutes uphendula i-trick, and your time starts now. Then we come back and do i-corrections, sijonge uba sizoba sheka sinexesha elingakanani to continue.